Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Next problem of series solution is solve x into x minus 1 d2y by dx square plus 3x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So if we compare this with p0 of x d2y by dx square plus p1 of x into dy by dx plus p2 of x into y equal to 0, then here p0 of x is equal to x into x minus 1. So this implies p0 of 0 equal to 0. So p0 of 0 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 0 is singular point. Now if x equal to 0 is singular point, then we have to check this x equal to 0 is regular singular point or not. So how we check that? Using these two conditions. First one is limit x tends to 0, x into p1 of x upon p0 of x is equal to limit x tends to 0, x into p1 of x is 3x minus 1 upon p0 of x is x into x minus 1. So this x's get cancelled. Here if you put x equal to 0, 0 minus 1 upon 0 minus 1 is 1. So this is finite. Similarly, if we find second condition here, that is limit x tends to 0, x square into p2 of x upon p0 of x. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square into p2 of x is 1 upon p0 of x is x into x minus 1. So 1x get cancelled. So limit, if you find limit here, 0 upon 0 minus 1, that is 0, and 0 is also finite. So here both limits are finite, and therefore we can say that x equal to 0 is regular singular point. And if x is equal to 0 is regular singular point, then we can take solution of given differential equation is y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to m plus k. But in given differential equation is of order 2a, that is in that differential equation dy by dx given a, d2y by dx square given a. So from y we have to find that values dy by dx. If you take derivative here, so summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into derivative of x raised to m plus k is m plus k into x raised to m plus k minus 1. And again if we take double derivative, that derivative is d2y by dx square is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into m plus k minus 1 into x to the power m plus k minus 2. So put all these values in given differential equation, and therefore given differential equation becomes here x into x minus 1 is, if you multiply x inside, then that becomes x into x is x square minus x into d2y by dx square. The value of d2y by dx square is summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into m plus k minus 1 x to the power m plus k minus 2. The next one is plus 3x minus 1 into dy by dx. So dy by dx is summation of k varies from 0 to infinity dy by dx is ak into m plus k x to the power m plus k minus 1, and last time a plus y. So y is summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to m plus k equal to 0. Now if we simplify this step, x square into this, so x square into x to the power this means summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak m plus k minus 1 into x to the power m plus k minus 2 plus 2 means this x square is, so 2 to get cancelled. minus sign है, again x into this, so summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak m plus k minus 1 x to the power m plus k minus 2 into x, that is x to the power m plus k minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. The next one is plus 3x minus 1a, so 3x minus 1 means plus 3 into summation of k varies from 0 to infinity x into this, that is ak m plus k x to the power m plus k minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, and minus 1 into this, that is minus summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into m plus k x to the power m plus k minus 1, and last term is plus summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x to the power m plus k equal to 0. Now if you observe this all series here x raised to m plus k, here x raised to m plus k, here x raised to m plus k, and in all three series k starts from 0 to infinity. So we can combine this series and we can take this ak into x raised to m plus k common from this. So this implies summation of k varies from 0 to infinity. If we take ak common here from first series m plus k into m plus k minus 1, this, then this one plus 3 into m plus k and plus 1 into x to the power m plus k. This is from 1, 2, 3 this series. Then from remaining two series, here minus sign, here minus sign, we can take minus sign common. Summation of k varies from 0 to infinity. Here ak present, here ak present, we can take ak again common. We can take also x raised to m plus k minus 1 common. So in bracket m plus k minus 1, and this minus is common here, so plus from this m plus k into x to the power m plus k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now if we simplify this, after simplification we will get here summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into, from these two terms we can take m plus k common, and if we take m plus k common, bracket में क्या रहेगा m plus k minus 1 plus 3m, m plus k minus 1 plus 3, that is m plus k minus 1 plus 3 plus 2, and this last one is plus 1 into x to the power m plus k minus summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into, here also we can take m plus k common, so if we take m plus k common in bracket m plus k if we take common, यहाँ पर रहेगा m plus k minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0 into x to the power m plus k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now this is equation 2 say, and given equation is equation 1. So here now we have to find indicial equation. So for indicial equation we have to equate lowest coefficient of lowest degree term, coefficient of lowest degree term k start हो रहा है 0 से, so if we put k equal to 0 we will get here x raised to m and here x raised to m minus 1, so lowest degree term is x raised to m minus 1, and equate the coefficient of x raised to m minus 1 equal to 0 for, so when we get that is x raised to m minus 1 for k equal to 0, so that coefficient is this minus sign for k equal to 0, here a0 into m plus 0, and this 1 get cancelled, into m is equal to 0. That is a0 into m square equal to 0, but a0 is not equal to 0. This is the initial equation. So a0 is not equal to 0, and therefore m square equal to 0. So this is called as initial equation. So m square equal to 0, then we can write m equal to 0, 0. So roots are repeated, and if roots are repeated, then how we write solution, and therefore means m1 is equal to m2 here equal to 0. So which case is applicable? If m1 equal to m2, means if roots are repeated, then case number 2 is y is equal to c1 into y at m1 plus c2 into dabba y by dabba m at m1, because m1 equal to m2. So for solution, what we want here, for solution we have to find y at m1 and dabba y by dabba m at m1. So for that we want y. Now we have to find recurrence relation. लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में हमने रिकरेंस रिलेशन ड्रॉप किया था, वहाँ भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देखो रिकरेंस रिलेशन में के लिए हमें क्या करना है, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेज टू m प्लस के इक्वेट विथ 0 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. कौन सा भी प्रॉब्लम रहने दो, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 इक्वेट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x टू द पावर m प्लस के इक्वल टू 0. देखो तो फर्स्ट टर्म में कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेज टू m प्लस के a k इंटू m प्लस k, that coefficient is a k in bracket m plus k into m plus k plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and in second series here x raised to m plus k minus 1 a, we want coefficient of x raised to m plus k, means we have to cancel this one. So when we cancel this 1, if we put k equal to k plus 1, means इस k के जगह पर यदि हमने k plus 1 पुट किया तो plus 1 minus 1 कैंसिल होके m plus k रहेगा. मीन्स यहाँ पर भी क्या पुट करना होगा, फिर k इक्वल टू k plus 1. सो प्लस इट्स कोएफिशिएंट इज a k plus 1 into here same m plus k plus 1, and here this 1 get cancel, so m plus k plus 1 its square equal to 0. So this is the coefficient of x raised to m plus k. Okay, now we already equate this with 0. Now we have to find recurrence relation. So from this we can write ak plus 1 into m plus k plus 1 bracket square equal to, here minus sign equal to ak into m plus k into this, how we write m plus k into m plus k. ऐसा किया मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो देखो क्या आता है यहाँ पर, this m plus k into m plus k is m plus k whole square plus this 2 into m plus k and plus 1. So what is this? This is equal to ak into m plus k whole square plus 2 times m plus k plus 1, means a square plus twice ab plus b square is m plus k plus 1 bracket square. So this m plus k plus 1 bracket square get cancelled, and therefore we will get here recurrence relation ak plus 1 is equal to ak, and using this recurrence relation we have to find constants. Now how we find constant here? For k equal to 0, for k equal to 0 we get a1 equal to a0, then if we put k equal to 1, then we will get a2 equal to a1. But what is the value of a1? a1 is a0. Then if we put k equal to 2, then we will get a3 is equal to a2, but a2 is again a0, and so on. So these are the constant. Okay, therefore now we have to write solution. So solution is y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to m plus k, can be written as x raised to m into summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to k. So this is equal to x raised to m into a0, if we expand this series, plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on. Now what are the values of a1? Keep a0 as it is here, so this is equal to x raised to m into the value of a1 is a0, a2 is also a0, put here, so a0 plus a0x plus a0x square plus so on. From this we can take a0 common. If we take a0 common, then this becomes a0 into x raised to m, ब्रैकेट में क्या रहेगा 1 plus x square plus so on. So this is the value of y. This is say equation 3. Okay, so this is y at any point. Now for solution, what we want y at m1 and dabba y by dabba m at m1. So therefore the value of y at m1 is 0 is equal to a0 into, means here put m equal to 0, m1 or m, if you put 0, x to the power 0 is 1 plus x square plus so on. Now for to find second here, dabba y by dabba m, so differentiate this y with respect to m, therefore dabba y by dabba m is equal to a0 with respect to m, partial derivative a, so this total bracket is constant, only take derivative of x raised to m का derivative with respect to m क्या आएगा, x raised to m into log x into this bracket as it is constant 1 plus x square plus so on. In some problems bracket में m आता है, so how we take derivative that of this using u into v rule. Okay, so this is the value of dabba y by dabba m. Now we want dabba y by dabba m at m1. What is m1? m1 is 0. So put m equal to 0 here, then we will get a0 into x raised to 0 is 1, a0 log x into 1 plus x square plus so on. So this is the value of dabba y by dabba m at m equal to 0. Okay, and therefore final solution is y is equal to c1 into y at m1 plus c2 into dabba y by dabba m at m1. So c1 into y at m1 is, that is c1 a0 into x raised to m 1 plus x square plus so on, plus c2 into a0 log x into 1 plus x square plus so on. So this is the final answer of given linear differential equation. Thank you.